How to install Fodsports T1 Pro on the helmet. Here are the accessories you'll need for the installation. First, let's install the speakers and the microphone. Before we begin, we need to remove the helmet liner. Next step, tear off the Velcro for the speaker and stick it into the reserved headphone slot in the helmet. Then, install the speakers in the same position. Now tear off the microphone's Velcro and stick it inside the helmet near the mouth position. Attach the microphone and connect the cable. After that, organize the cables inside the helmet and reinstall the helmet liner. The Fodsports T1 Pro is compatible with most helmet styles. For optimal performance, we recommend using the soft tube microphone for full-face helmets and the hard tube microphone for half helmets. Let's check out how to install the hard tube mic on a half helmet. Step 1. Peel off the Velcro backing on the microphone. Stick it inside the helmet near your mouth position. Step 2. Attach the microphone and connect the cable. Tidy up the cables neatly inside the helmet, then reinstall the helmet liner. We provide two mounting options, a plastic clamp mount, 3M adhesive mount. Let's begin with a plastic clamp installation. Step 1. Take the screwdriver from the package and loosen the two screws on the clamp. Step 2. Attach the clamp to the left side of the helmet. Step 3. Slide the back track of the device into the clamping track until it clicks into place. Then tighten the screws on the clamp to secure it in place. To remove it, simply press the top buckle and slide the unit upward. Step 4. Insert the earphone jack into the lower port of the intercom. Installation complete. Installing with the 3M adhesive mount. Step 1. Peel off the protective film from the 3M adhesive. Step 2. Clean the surface on the left side of the helmet. Step 3. Stick the 3M adhesive mount firmly onto the helmet. Step 4. Slide the device's back track into the clamping track. Step 5. Insert the earphone jack into the lower port of the intercom. Installation complete.